LinkedIn Free Learning. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your browser and type LinkedIn Learning. Then press Enter to access the site. Click Sign In. Enter your email address into the field provided, and then click Continue to proceed. Once you're on the home page, click the search bar located in the top right corner. Next, type in free learning materials, for example, Project Management Foundations, and press Enter to search. Then, click Project Management Foundations from the search results, and a free learning video will appear on the screen. If you want to change the video topic, click Content in the top left corner of the page. Then, scroll down through the list of available lessons and select the video you want to play. If you want to save this learning video for later, click the Save icon located in the top right corner of the video player. Next, click My Library in the top left corner of the home page to access your saved content. Then, click Save again to view the learning video you have previously saved.